Question 3. Helen carried out a survey to find out the fruit her friends like best. Here are her results. Part A. Complete the table for Helen's results. Here's the tally and here's the frequency. So we'll start off with the apples. My advice would be to cross off the fruit once you've counted it. So, there's an apple. Another apple. Apple, apple. Next I will do the bananas. So banana, banana. Banana, banana. Banana. Banana, banana. Oranges next. So orange, orange. Orange, orange. And all the oranges are done. Peaches, so 1 there, 2, 3. And finally the pineapples. 1 here, 1 here. So that's going to be 2. So the frequency is going to be a number. So there were 4 apples. There were 7 bananas. There's going to be 4 oranges and 3 peaches and 2 pineapples. Now just to make sure you haven't missed any out, there is, if I count how many fruits there is 4 by 5, so there should be 20 pieces of fruit in total, and you can make sure there are 20 in total. So this question 3A is worth 2 marks. The first one is for at least 3 correct tallies or 3 correct frequencies. And the second mark is for all of the frequencies being correct. So, question B. Write down the number of Helen's friends who like banana best. So there were 7 people who liked banana best. So part B is only worth 1 mark, so they have to see 7 to get that mark. And part C says, on the grid, draw a suitable chart or diagram to show Helen's results. So something that would be suitable here would be a bar graph or a pictogram or a pie chart. The easiest one probably in this case is going to be a bar chart. So you have to do the bar chart correctly. So I'm just going to draw a quick bar graph. So I'm going to have number of fruit, and the biggest number is going to be 7, so I have to make sure that I get the scale correct. So I'm going to put 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 1 square is 1, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and I'm going to need to label each of the bars. So the first one is going to be apple, which had 4 people who liked that the best. Now the bars must be the same width. Okay, I'm going to choose to use 2 squares across, so they all have to be 2 squares across. Banana was 7. Oranges was 4. Then peaches was 3 and pineapple 2. pineapple was 2 people. So that's all done correctly, but we need to also label each of the bars. So the first one was apple. I'm not really going to have much space here, but I'm going to try my best. Apple. This bar here was banana. The third bar was oranges. Then peaches and pineapple. Peaches. And the last one was pineapple. Hope you can see that. So, part C is worth 3 marks. So the first mark is for a suitable graph, which we've got here. A suitable graph with at least 3 correct heights for the scale. So we've got at least 3 correct, so we've got the first mark. The second mark is for all 5 bars being correct. And the third mark is so the second mark is for all 5 bars correctly labelled: apple, banana, orange, peaches and pineapple, and the vertical axis is correctly scaled, which it is here. The third mark is for everything being correct. So that's it for question 3, part A, B and C.